tower speakers? I mean, how many stories are there? Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Waltz, and today we're taking a look at the RP-8000-II, which is the rendition of everybody's favorite RP-8000s, which did awesome as a first-gen speaker, but, you know, it's time for a new gen, and there's some cool things about this one that I like particularly that, you know, make it new, make it different, make it better, and we're going to talk about that. So what is new and what's so great? Now, first, I do have to mention that the RP-8000 is a passive speaker, so you're going to need a receiver and amp to run these, most traditionally in a surround sound system, but in case you wanted to do stereo, you could do that as well. I trust that if you're looking at the speaker, you'll probably be able to find a good quality amp as well. Now, one of the new features that I thought was really cool is the fact that you can actually connect your Dolby Atmos speaker directly to the speaker rather than going through a receiver, which adds more cables and wiring and just more mess in general. Those Dolby Atmos speakers are going to be the RP-500SAs, and because on the 8000s they actually have the connections on the top of the speaker, all you need is a short little wire to connect, and it's just cable management free, like literally the best design you could do for the Atmos speakers in my personal opinion. Now, those of you who might be true audiophiles, this next feature is probably for you, and if you're not, if you're just using this in a standard surround sound system, then you probably won't care too much about this. But something really cool that I don't think a lot of people are expecting is the fact that these can actually be bi-amped and bi-wired, which normally isn't included in a speaker at this price point. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. Also, if you didn't know, it's a floor standing speaker, so they're not in any way supposed to be in the air, in case you had that idea to maybe hang them from the ceiling or some weird configuration you have maybe at a church, or who knows. I mean, they're not designed to be hung from the ceiling. There's nothing that would ever indicate that, but it does have aluminum feet for the floor. Oh, and if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Now, these are tower speakers, so they're going to be pretty large, and as far as dimensions go, you're looking at a height of 43 inches, width of 10.8, and a depth of 18.2. The RP-8000-IIs also come with a magnetic mesh grille, which is a super nice feature that, you know, we hope to see in quality speakers like this. We saw it in the first rendition, so obviously we're probably expecting it in the second, but just thought I'd mention that because some speakers don't have that, and it makes it really easy to, you know, take it off when you're demoing the speaker, look at the woofers, and really just kind of visualize what's going on, because, you know, with the mesh grille on, it's meant to blend in and look nice, but sometimes you might want to see those cones and woofers. Speaking of cones and woofers, it's going to come with 8-inch woofers, 2 of them, and then a bigger cone than the last model. If you can actually see the edges of the cone go pretty much all the way to the edge as to where they did not in the first rendition. And, you know, what sets this speaker apart from, you know, the first model is that it actually redesigned the cabinet, and instead of having just one port, it has 2 ports, one for each woofer, which is really going to help with reducing the resonance, vibration, and especially the port noise that you might have had in the RP-8000. And although it might not look a whole lot different than the first gen of 8000s, quite literally is almost a completely different speaker. Now, as far as cables, you're going to want to connect this with AudioQuest cables. In my personal opinion, we haven't done a video on, you know, speaker cable specifically, but if you happen to be upgrading your TV and you need a new HDMI cable, definitely go check out our AudioQuest video. There is a lot to cables, so hopefully that video can help. Now, you're still wondering if this is the route for you as far as upgrading your audio system. I personally think it is, and the reason being is that audio, to me, is more than 50% of the experience. And if you don't believe me, watch this clip of high quality video with low quality audio, and then low quality video with high quality audio, and you tell me which one is more tolerable.
So this is an example of amazing video quality with terrible audio quality. Let's switch and see what sounds better.
Now, our video quality has decreased, but our audio quality has gone through the roof. Major improvements. What do you guys think? So to me personally, you know, I think that it's pretty important to have audio, because you don't want to have something where you have a really nice TV and then an underwhelming audio experience. And also, you only get to watch usually what you're watching once. You can watch it multiple times, but usually you're only going to watch it that one time. So why wouldn't you have the best possible audio system you can to, you know, see it, because you're only going to see it that one time. So anyway, I mean, we're wrapping it up here and it's time for the sound test, but some of the key things that I really enjoyed about, you know, the new model is the fact that you're getting so much more out of this than I felt like you were in the first one. Having 2 ports over 1 is going to make a huge difference in the reduction of that noise, bi-amp capabilities, and having those connections right there at the top of the speaker for your Atmos speakers. Now, if you're interested in picking up some of these for yourself, make sure you check all the links down in the description. We really do appreciate your support. And if you're here in Tempe or the Phoenix Metro Valley, you should definitely come visit our showroom and give them a listen. We do have them here on display. Other than that, let me know what you guys think about the RP-8000-IIs. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested in, make sure to email me at youtube@waltz so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.